Hey, Bray. Hey. There's my Braylon right there.
This is Braylon Gage.
Okay, there's, I'll look at Mom. There's Mama.
Braylon, are you going to smile? Oh, what are you doing, Braylon? Braylon Gage. Are you going to smile for Mommy? Huh?
Smile for Mommy, baby.
Well, just a little bit.
Yeah, that's Mommy. Yeah. Hey, baby.
Smile.
You gonna smile?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna smile?
I've been doing good today. I'm going to take my pretty hair.
Yeah. Bray. Hey, baby.
Oh, open your eyes.
Open your eyes, Bray. There you
Open
go.
your eyes for Dad.
Hey. What you doing? Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh, goodness.
I'm joking.
Goodness. I got a close up of that. Goodness, honey.
Oh.
Braylon Gage.
Daddy,
Hey.
Daddy.
Hey, baby.
Say, look at, I got my little outfit on today.
Oh, yes. Look at how. Look.
Say, got my little hand.
Yes, look at him.
Remember the precious little baby.
Hey, hold his hand again. I'll zoom in on that. I'm recording, baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you say, what you doing, Braylon?
What you doing, son? What is it? You talking?
Are you talking?
Is him talking?
Yes, baby.
Is him talking?
Say, yes, yes.
Yes, you talking. Now you go ahead and talk. You tell me all about it, baby. You tell Daddy all about it. Tell me about it.
Say, Daddy, be quiet. I can hear me. Oh, I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. Okay, like, stop it.